Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session we are going to do homework solution of plus 3's formula. Okay, we have already done B row in the classwork when we started plus 3. I gave you A row in homework. Okay, so today we are going to do the solution of A row, your homework solution. Okay, so first of all, where I am going to apply this formula of plus 3, that is plus 5 minus 2, wherever I will not have enough beads left to do plus 3, I will apply the formula of 3, that is plus 5 minus 2. Let's start. First question, 2, again 2, 3. Now I don't have enough beads to do 3, right? So here I am going to apply the formula of 3, that is plus 5 minus 2. So my answer is 7. Got it? Next, 1, 3, again 3. Do I have beads for 3? No. So my formula for 3 is plus 5 minus 2. Wherever I cannot add 3, I don't have enough beads for 3, I am applying its formula. Okay. Next question. 3, 1, 3. Again, no beads for 3, right? You can see yourself, I can't add 3. So my formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Wherever I am not able to add 3, I am applying the formula. Next question. 4 4 plus 3. I don't have enough beads for 3. I can't add 3 anymore. So formula of 3 is plus 5 minus 2. Then plus 1. There is in the question. My answer is 8. Okay. After applying the formula, you have to move on with the question, right? Because there is more to the question, right? Next, 3. Again 3. No beads for 3. I can't add 3. So my formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. And then we have another 3. So this, my answer is 9. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. If you still have any doubts and anything, you can let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you. Bye bye.